crazy. Yeah. It's just the man. It's just the sheer size of this thing. It's surprising it doesn't sink. You don't expect it to have this much space, man.
Name? Barlovento.
Barlovento. Hola.
Yeah.
That's the front. I wouldn't eat ice cream.
Ice cream, nice. I'm just weird though when it comes to ice cream. I only really like vanilla. You want to sit down or what? I don't.
No, I would like to go out.
This is one big boat. You just see La Gomera there, it's quite clear. San Sebastian as well, capital. Let's go to Hierro. God, my voice is crap, I swear to God. Sì, Parco Santiago 4. Here you go, guys. This is our finca in Hierro, and we're literally right in the port. Amazing. Beautiful views, look at that. We've got seats outside. Beautiful views across the ocean. Alright, let me show you inside. So you get seating places so you can chill out here with a beer, of course. And then there's an area there where they've got a double bed, which is always ideal if you've got extra people. And we've got a sofa. That's better. This is one bedroom. This is the biggest bedroom. Beautiful views up to the ocean, look. Amazing. This is our typical Canarian. Just what you like to see. Another bedroom right here. And then we've got bathroom. Nice little shower there, that'll do the job. And then we've got a good sized kitchen with everything that's needed. Fridge, freezer, washing machine, cooker hob, everything. So all good. I mean, just look at the views there. How beautiful is that? Amazing. So we've just got here. Time to chill out for a little bit and then probably go and explore. Nice little place. Amazing. And this is going to be home for the next 2 nights, so we're here for the next couple of nights, so that'll be decent. Just gives you enough time just to explore the island, because El Hierro is the smallest of the 7 major Canary Islands. So population just under about 12,000 people. If you didn't say Tenerife and you look towards La Gomera, if you look left, then that's where El Hierro is, just a bit further across. It takes roughly 2 hours and 20 minutes to get here from Los Cristianos. Just look at the beautiful views we got there. Absolutely love it. Nice clear water, look. Just stunning. But we are going to go and explore the island. Perfect. Well, what more can you ask for? Amazing. Okay guys, I'll see you later in a bit. Peace, man. What's happening, gang? Look at this beautiful El Hierro. And we've got this massive sculpture here, look, on the side of the road. So let me just walk through, show you around. Beautiful sculpture. Bloody tourists. Look at that though. This is insane. That's insane. Let's check it out. How amazing is that? This is one of the pine trees here on El Hierro. A lot of the pine trees are shaped over time from the trade winds because they're quite high up and the winds are strong, so as they grow sometimes they lean over to one side. I mean, there are other ones which are more dramatic to this, where they're literally the trunk is bent right down to the ground because of the trade winds. And if I do find them, I shall certainly show you those as well. Amazing. Just missed the little guy there. Now he's gone. Little lizard. Look at that though. Welcome back, guys. Just look at this beautiful place here on the beautiful Canary island of Hierro. Wow. This is nature. It's so beautiful. It's so fresh as well. Wow. There's a picnic area just up here as well. On the top you can use. Wow, look at these trees. Every single one's got a life force. Look at that. Amazing. This is the kind of places you need to be. I mean, just look at the moss. Look at this. We're on the bark of these trees. They're absolutely huge as well. This is so peaceful. You can just hear the birds in the background and me talking nonsense to you guys. And the ground's so soft because like the needles that are falling, it's almost like walking on a mattress. Oh, it's amazing. I'm not sure if you can hear those birds just in the background. Wow. This guys is something else. This is what nature's about. Look, we have a little guy here, look, I think it's a woodlice. I don't know whether you can see that. We'll leave that one, leave that little person be. What an amazing place. And this is just a few minutes drive from Mirador de la Peña. It's a totally different landscape from where I've just been. I mean, as you drive around the island, you only have to travel a mile or two, and it changes so dramatically. So this is literally what you call diversity. I mean, just over the other side, you've got sheer drops and mountain cliffs with canary and date palms everywhere. And then here, you've got this beautiful forest here. You know, it's almost like two different countries. In fact, even more than two different countries. Because you'll go from here into another landscape, which looks like Northern Europe. Wow. Seriously impressive. Yep, I know I'm easily pleased, but things like this really do please me. I just love it. Right, I shall leave you be. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and I will definitely catch you all in the next one. And don't forget, subscribing is totally free. It doesn't cost you a single penny, so if you can just hit the subscribe button, it helps boost the channel and does me a great favor. Thanks a lot, guys. See you later. Peace, man. Welcome back to another video. We are on El Hierro. We are in Mirador de la Peña, and just look at this beautiful place. What an amazing landscape. Check it out. You know, you hear the term breathtaking a lot, but this is something else. Absolutely insane. Mirador de la Peña, absolutely stunning. I mean, look at that beautiful water down there. And guys, come on, check this out. You're gonna love this. I mean, you've got a little restaurant here as well, and a terrace and everything here for you to check out as well. But just get a load of this place. Now, El Hierro is the smallest of the main 7 Canary Islands. Population probably just under 12,000, I think it is. I mean, there are other Canary Islands as well, which are slightly smaller, like La Graciosa, but this is the smallest at the main 7. So on the flag of Canary Islands, you'll see the 7 islands and the 2 dogs. This is one of the small, one of the 7 islands, which is the smallest one. But whoa, look at this. It is literally breathtaking. I think we're over 1,000 meters up. We're above some of the clouds. Oh, wow. It's a little bit difficult for me to get around, so I have to get my buddy to hold the camera. Wow. Man, what do you think of this? It's just the way it's all set out as well. I mean, you've even got information boards, and you've got barcodes where you can just scan the barcode. I'll take you to the barcode now, so I'm not sure when I put this on YouTube whether you'll be able to scan the barcode and see for yourself. Beautiful nature. Just wow. Full of lizards as well, as you'd expect being in Canary Islands. But yeah, check it out. It's so relaxing, pure tranquility, and that's how you want it. Very relaxed island, not much going on, but sometimes that's the break you need. So you've got your barcodes here. So this guy's doing El Silbo, which is a Canarian whistle language. They used to use that to whistle across the valleys to communicate, and some islands like El Hierro and La Gomera, they still use it. You can go on to excursions to places like La Gomera and El Hierro, and they give you a demonstration of El Silbo. But check this out. There's a lizard, look. One with no tail, so it looks like someone's tried to catch that one or something, and he shook his tail off. You've got your restaurants, cafeteria, and your souvenir shop as well there. Isn't this just something though? Miradores. Let's go and see what we can find. Absolutely amazing. Love it. And probably keep repeating myself, but I don't care because it's good. It's amazing because each individual island has got its own personality. In places like this is what a lot of tourists don't seem to see. But this is, I'd say, a must, yeah. If you ever do get the chance to get over to El Hierro, if you're in islands like Tenerife, then 2 hours 20 minutes on a Fred Olsen from Los Cristianos to Valverde, and that takes you across to El Hierro. If you look there, we can see La Palma. Wow. You can see the clouds there now. Look, the clouds are just like level with us, and these ones were above these clouds. What a stunning place. And then you've got the hills up here. This is very similar to when you go towards the Naga in Tenerife. Very similar. Absolutely freaking amazing. So we've got island wise, let me see what I can see. Oh, perfect, I'll show you. So if we just go down here, at the moment I'm on El Hierro, as you know. So let's have a look. And we have got, so if you look just across here where the clouds are, this is La Palma. And if you look just across here, if you can see where I'm pointing, this bigger island, but looks like the bigger island, one of the smaller ones, is La Gomera. And if you can just see there in the distance, you can see El Teide, the highest points in Spain, the highest point in Tenerife as well, obviously, of course. So you've got Tenerife, La Gomera, La Palma y El Hierro. So there you've got 4 Canary Islands all in one. Then obviously on the other side you've got Gran Canaria, Lanzarote, Fuerteventura. But then with the other 3 at the major 7. So as we drive up here to go down into that valley that I've just showed you, then we'll be actually in the clouds then. Prickly pears, are they ripe? Could get that off there and eat that. There's no fruit on it. But if you do get the prickly pears, knock them off with a stick, knock them onto the floor and just roll them underneath your foot, because you don't want to get the little spines inside your skin, because they can last in your skin for days and they're irritable. Trust me, talking from experience. So this is Mirador de la Peña in El Hierro. And on that note, I'll see you all in the next one. In a bit. Peace, man. Just another quick video. Look at this beautiful pine forest here, look. In fact, I don't know if they are pines. But wow, look at this. guys, is what it's like to drive through the clouds. Amazing. This place looks like Silent Hill. So this is where we are. Just look at this place. Amazing. How beautiful is this? It's a lot colder here. Amazing. If you look just here, you've got these same pine trees as you've seen before. The pines on the ground, and just here we've got cloud which is coming across, so we're literally in the clouds right now. If you can just look there, just ahead, you can see we're all in the clouds now. A noticeable drop in temperature as well, which is obvious because of the height. We're about 1,500 meters above sea level. Check that out, amazing El Hierro. Look at that tranquility. If you look, you can see the clouds here above me now. Surrounded by clouds. If I just go to this ravine here, you can see the clouds come across. I'm not sure if you can see it that good on the camera, hopefully you can. But wow, amazing. I say amazing a lot because, well, it's amazing, isn't it? That's why I said amazing. Just look at that. It just literally feels like you're stepping back in time. You can see all the cloud just in front, look. We're actually walking through clouds now. It's got like that enchanted forest vibe, man, if you look at it. With all the clouds coming through, that mist. The cold air. As you can see now, totally in the clouds now. Man, the air is so fresh, so beautiful. Not sure if you can see this on camera. You can just see the clouds going past. And we've got a monument up there as well. I don't know what that is, that big red line thing up there, not sure. Okay guys, I'll catch you in the next one in a bit. Peace man.